Welcome to the EZnet Scheduler. In this quick demo, I'd like to go over some of the primary features of this calendar. And the first thing I would like to show you is how to schedule your first appointment. So when you click on any of the available slots, your appointment editor pops up, and here you can take down all of the necessary information to schedule this appointment. Let's schedule a meeting. You can set the start time, end time, and one of the great things about this calendar is that we have 3 levels of appointment attachments. What these are, in this particular setup, employees are your stations. What we call stations are the vertical columns of your calendar. So if you can see here, they are set to be Bob, Don, and so on. But stations could be anything. They could be rooms, they could be trucks, they could be a salon, chairs, anything. I will show you how to customize these later on in this tutorial. So in this case, we're scheduling for Francis, and the second level of attachment is a task. A task is the action performed. So you will see here, let's say that this is a sales meeting. Tasks can be attached a price. Also, they could be color-coded or attached a length of time required to perform this task. And that will help the system know how long the appointment is. Also, the third attachment is a resource. A resource is any object or anything that is required to perform this task. So in this case, since it's a meeting room could be necessary, or let's say an item like a projector. These can be tracked, and the system can notify you. Let's say you have a limited amount of projectors, and when you run out and you try to schedule an appointment and you have no more, the system will let you know and tell you that it cannot schedule this appointment, or when you're trying to double book for a particular room. In this section here, you can fill in your client information. So let's say Tim, our client, will be attending this meeting as well. And what we can do is we can add all our clients to the database so that next time when you're scheduling an appointment and you need to pull up Tim's information, all you do is you can type in the first letter of the name, hit the search button up top, and it will pull up all of the information for that particular query. Also, you're able to create custom fields. This ID number field here is an example of one. If you have any type of particular information, like an ID number or a client number, anything that is very particular, you can create multiple custom fields. In the next tab, you can set a reoccurrence to any appointment. You can set it on a daily basis, weekly, monthly, and yearly for a particular day of the week or any type of day pattern. Also, you can set an end date to the reoccurrence. So let's say your client is coming in Monday and Friday for 3 months, and after that he's done. So you can set it up here and not have to worry to reschedule or stop rescheduling this appointment. You can add notes, and you can also add notifications. We do offer email, text message, and voice notifications. Voice notifications are automatic voice messages that are sent to your client as a call, and your client has an interactive menu where they can confirm, reschedule, or cancel this appointment, and your appointment will automatically update its status on the calendar here. In addition, from this view, you can pull up the appointment information by simply mousing over your appointment. if you right-click on your appointment, you get additional options. You can copy, open the details, delete, or print your appointment. Also, you can set a status to your appointment. These are the pre-designed appointment statuses, but you can also create some custom ones. These are also the same appointment statuses that you will see on your appointments, whether your customer confirms, cancels, or reschedules the appointment via your voice notifications. The appointments are also drag and droppable. On the left side here, we have your date overview calendar. Also, we have some settings that help you customize the view of your calendar. The first drop-down list allows you to select one or multiple stations to view at a time. So if you only want to see Bob and Francis together and compare, or for any particular reason, you can do so. Also, you have your time slot interval. Right now I have it set from 8 to 8:30, 8:30 to 9, so basically 30-minute intervals. But you can set it to any of these times. The screen size will alter the width of your calendar. If you have a narrow monitor, you can set it to medium. There's also large, small, and extra small. I prefer fill. That will just extend the calendar to the full width of your screen. The same goes for the column width. You can set them to narrow, medium, large, or fill will extend them all the way through. The task table allows you to see the tasks presets, so the prices, lengths, and also the colors that are assigned to these tasks. And on the bottom, you have your export buttons. On the right side here, you can see your locations if you're using multiple locations or offices. Also, you have your day, week, and monthly view. Here's your week, and here's your monthly view. The next step I would like to show you is, let's check out the company administration. In this section here, you can change the name of your station, tasks, and resources. Let's say you are a medical office, and instead of scheduling employees, you're scheduling your examination rooms. So instead of employees, you will type in rooms here, and you would save it. And now anywhere in the system, your columns would be called rooms. Also, in this section, you can change your working hours, as well as set up block out times. Let's say some of the employees or rooms are closed for specific days. You can also set up exception for those times. There are appointment options, payment information, client billing, and point of sale. The next step I would like to turn your attention to is your employees management. You have probably noticed that we have replaced the we's with rooms, but it hasn't changed in the menu yet, as it has not refreshed the page. Now that I refresh the page, everywhere where it used to say employees, now it's called rooms. So in this section, you can add additional rooms. You can change your rooms, or employees, trucks, stations, whatever it is that you're scheduling the appointments for. When you open up the edit window, you can assign a color code for any particular station. So let's make Dawn Raspberry. Also, you can set up block out times. You can set individual hours of operation and visibility for your internal, external calendar, both or neither. The external calendar is where your clients are able to schedule appointments through your website or any other external web portal. Here you can set up your notifications. These notifications are station-based, and you can set notification restrictions and also set up different templates in these tabs. You can set up the company templates and the customer templates, other restrictions, options, and addresses that we will go over in other tutorials. And as you can see, Dawn now has changed her color of the station, and you can color code all your stations for your visual convenience. The next tool set I would like to show you is the task management. Similarly to your station management, you can add new tasks or edit new tasks here. You can also attach price and duration, as well as color code your tasks. Your appointment bubbles will generally follow your task colors. So here you can also specify notifications and templates for particular tasks and change the duration, price, and the visibility on your internal or external calendar. Next, let's check out Manage User-Defined Fields. Here you can create additional custom fields. You can label your fields, say hair color. So data type, in this case we are requiring, well, a text entry. And you can set it to show on the internal, external, or both. And if you would like this field to be required or no, unsearchable. And now when you go to set a new appointment, you can see that a hair color field is now available. Next, let's visit the Manage External Calendar settings. Here you can set your company logo as well as update your description cancellation policy, external calendar options, and your widget. This calendar features many more other features and is very customizable. We have many levels of different customizations and settings that can make the scheduling process more friendly for your business model. You can also create additional notification setups, run reports, and printable work orders, and much more. I hope you enjoyed this demo, and happy scheduling.